God, I'm tired of the noise of the chase. The same old faces in a brand new place, and yet the blur in the smoke and the spin. You stand like silence I can breathe in. Yes, I danced with time, I drank with fate. I argued with God at heaven's gate, but no prayer hit me like your stare. You didn't save me, you made me care. So breathe me in, oh, not just my skin. Take my soul, for a midnight spin. Let's disappear, yes, from the circus of sin. I find truth, oh, where your eyes begin. Breathe me in, rewrite my name. If this is madness, yes, I'll play the game. You're not escape, oh, you're what remains in a world that's lost. You flame through rain, a flame through rain. The music strips philosophies with bass. We dance like thinkers out of place. Every step a question, every gaze a prayer. Is meaning real or just something we wear? But you don't speak in answers, you just are. Like constellations in a dim lit bar. And I, a cynic born and bruised, found God again. And she moved like you, yes. So breathe me in, oh, not just my skin. Take my soul, for a midnight spin. Let's disappear, yes, from the circus of sin. I find truth, oh, where your eyes begin. Breathe me in, rewrite my name. If this is madness, yes, I'll play the game. You're not escape, oh, you're what remains in a world that's lost. You flame through the rain. They say the universe expands, but why does it collapse when you're gone? Isn't that love, not gravity, but the force that keeps us from drifting too far from what matters? Yes, oh yes, oh yes. So breathe me in, be my dawn in this night, where I don't belong. Not just a rhythm, no, you're the song, the place I've searched for all along. Breathe me in, yes, let's burn, not fade. Two souls that chose, oh, not to evade in chaos. Love can still invade. I breathe you in, and I'm not afraid. Oh no, not afraid.